Hey guys, what's up? I'm coming out with another contest look in. This one is for Bowensma. Now all I had to do is create a bright look. So hope I can see the look. Let's see. Y'all know how I do it like so. But we got silver, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then blue underneath. So I'm gonna do a tutorial on this look. So if you like it, stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, this is just a cheap white pencil I used just to color in my lid primer from Walmart. Just the color on my wheel palette is silver. My wheel palette is number 06. I do silver a little before half. Then I'm going to get my 2 yellows. So I'm mixing them together to get a bright color. And all these colors out of my wheel palette. That's a sparkly green. Next color is a pastel bright blue. Kind of baby blue like. Now this is a sparkly purple. I'm going to use the cut crease. I'm just going to blend the crease out once I cut it. Another purple to lighten up that purple. Using my Fred brush, so it's $2 to blend all the colors. Using black in my Wells palette to fill in my eyebrows. Physician's Formula. It's a hint of topaz, the eye brightener, and I use it for highlight. It's kind of like a clear gold reflective color. My hip showy. I'm going to use the lightest blue with sparkles in it. Line on my under eye with white so this color pops. Use this blue sparkly and go right on top of that white line you made. So the color is bright. My hip cream eyeliner, black. My Sonia Kashuk angle brush. Bottom and top lid. Have to fix it a little. Got a little heavy handed. Curling the eyelashes. Great Lash Mascara. Black is Black, I think. This is my palette. Simple Colors Retro, and I use the pink. And I pat the pink eyeshadow on my lips, and I took some Ceramax. I squeezed some Ceramax and put it on top for like gloss in order to make a pink lipstick like. This is a Merle Norman purple lip liner. And that's the look, guys.